Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 black screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Steam or other launcher here, and then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted game files that need to be fixed, so first go ahead and do that. And then go back on general and make sure to disable overlay while in game. Sometimes it can cause the problem, right? But if the problem still persists, then you need to go back on install files, browse, and then we need to go to this folder here, scroll down until you see GTA 5 exe file, right click on it and go to properties, compatibility. Make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, make it Windows 8, and then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. And then you need to apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then the next thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to check it, first you need to on search, right, check for updates. And here you need to press this button and you need to make sure that your drivers is fully updated, right? And same thing with your GPU. Depending, of course, on what GPU you're using, NVIDIA or AMD, there is two separate apps to that. I'm using NVIDIA, so I just need to go to GeForce Experience, and then I just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for me, I need to download and install it, and then I need to restart my computer, and I need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to go to settings, and then you need to go to privacy and not privacy, gaming. Then make sure game mode is on, and then these two options is off, record what happened, and then Xbox game bar is off as well. Then go to accessibility, then go to visual effects and make sure these three options is off as well. And then once you do that, go to graphics settings, and then you need to look for your game GTA 5 and make sure to make it to high performance here, and then run the game. And real this matters on black screen. You need to go to task manager, and when you run the game, it should appear here on apps. So you need to, let's see, I will use an example as for example, Google Chrome, right? So I don't see that it's working here. Let's make it to another, let's say Steam. Then just right click on the GTA 5, go to details, and then you will see exe file. Go and right click again, go to set priority to and make it to high, right? And if this doesn't help, then you need to go to installed files, installed apps, and then you just need to write C++, and you need to make sure that you have a Microsoft Visual C++ from 250 to 2022. And if you don't have it, then you need to go to browser, and then you just need to wait a second, write C++ redistributable, and then just go to Microsoft official page, download these two basically setups here and install it. Super easy and fast. It will take you a couple of seconds to do so. And then again, write direct X12, and here you need to also download and install the setup file, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not after you restart your computer. And the last thing that you can do here is to basically allow your GTA 5 through Windows Defender Firewall. And to do so, what you need to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to go to allow an app or feature, change settings, and here you need to just press G, and here should be GTA 5. And if there is no GTA 5 here, you need to add it manually. Just allow another app, then press browse. And for me is I have this game on Steam, so I need to go to local disk C, program files x86, and then Steam apps, common, and then here should be a game GTA, and then you just need to add this exe file. And after that, you need to go to virus and threat protection. Virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to manage settings, scroll down until you see exclusions, and then you need to press add an exclusion folder. And then we need to go back again here on this C, program files x86, Steam apps, and then here common GTA 5, and we need to just add a whole folder to it like this. Right, and that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you have a black screen. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.